I spend my spare time with beekeeping and sustainable agriculture. In fact, when I think about it, everything revolves around food with me. So what we're doing here is really close to my heart.
This is a little story of how our food gets onto our plates. Or rather, how it remains fresh and wholesome long enough to get on our plates. Our company plays a crucial part in this story.
We manufacture the world's most profitable and most productive systems for sterilizing and pasteurizing food and pharmaceuticals. So, our customers are now expecting even more from us in the era of Industry 4.0. We've therefore developed the TRILOGY software to address these specific points. It's based on WinCC Professional and integration into the TIA portal from Siemens.
Et sur l'intégration dans TIA Portal de Siemens.
Our products contain a complete solution from Siemens, as their hardware and software interact perfectly. WinCC Professional gives a simple, intuitive visualization. The IPC is integrated in this HMI panel, so there's no need for a control cabinet. It has the IP65 degree of protection and an extension unit, which can even be operated with dirty or wet hands. This gives you the flexibility to stand right by the door and have everything in view. This space-saving design and efficient operation of the Siemens solutions have already improved our engineering and commissioning efficiency by 20%. The customer can now exploit the full potential of the machines, better integrate them into his own SCADA system, maintain them efficiently, and has easy remote access to plant data, right down to detailed analyses and comparisons.
Our customers certainly have a say in which components are used. Our own TRILOGY solution, the integration into the TIA portal, WinCC Professional, as well as such high-quality details as the HMI Pro panel with the extension unit are real door openers for us. And ultimately, we and our children, well, we're the customers of our customers.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.